Hello everyone, welcome back to FXCrypto-Academy. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to analyze the chart. My name is George. Okay, so one thing I've said in my previous video is before taking a trade, once you open your chart, you should always look for your directional bias. Look for your market structure from a higher time frame. Right, you can see from this particular level on a daily time frame. This is USD JPY. On a daily time frame, price has been bullish. All right, price has been bullish, giving us some series of highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. All right, you can also see that we have a trend line here supporting the confluence we have to know our directional bias. But okay, you can also see something happened in the market around this point here. Around this point, you can see this long impulsive push downward to tap on this particular trend line, which signal a short-term directional change. Okay, a short-term directional change signal a short-term directional change. All right, and you can see from that level, excuse me, yeah, you can see from that level the price has broke structure around this level here. Price broke structure around this level. Okay, so if we should go to a 4-hour time frame, it should be more clearer what price did at that level. So this is a time frame, and you can see at this particular point that price broke structure here. Price broke structure here at this point and at this point too, to tap on this trend line. All right, so what we did was take a short-term sell. All right, because we know that price is still bullish. Even if you go to a daily time frame, or sorry, a weekly time frame, you will see that price is still strongly bullish. And having confirmed that it tapped on this trend line, so price was still strongly bullish. Okay, but we wanted to take a short-term trend to a roadblock. Okay, I'll explain in further videos. I'll explain what roadblocks are. All right, so we took a short-term trade. Let's go to a 1-hour time frame where we took this setup. Okay, so on a 1-hour time frame, what we saw that was that price has been pushing up, engineering some liquidity, and you can see this engineered liquidity at this point here. The price pushed down and engineered liquidity, but price created an inducement at this particular level. Price created an inducement at this particular level. You can see where we marked up here. This is inducements. Excuse me. Price created that inducement at that particular level. So what we did was wait for price to take out that inducement, tap on the unmitigated order block around this point. Let me zoom in so you see clearly what price did. Yeah, so price took out this liquidity, tapped on this order block right here. You can see that unmitigated order block, and then pushed to the downward side. You can see how we took this trade. So this is what I call a roadblock. So we took this trade to this particular level here. This is an unmitigated order block on a 1-hour time frame. So these are roadblocks. So we took that setup there to be safe, because this is like a little bit against the trend. All right, so on this other part too, since price could not, at this level, price could not come break below this level that caused that push up, we waited here again, okay, to see what price will do. So price from here started retracing back, also took out liquidity and tapped us in from this unmitigated order block, and then push down back to this particular level where you see this unmitigated order block here, that is a roadblock. So that's how we took this setup on UJ. So if you found this video helpful, okay, please go ahead and give us a comment and subscribe. So for mentorship and trading classes, you can reach out to us on any platform, on X, Instagram, Facebook, and Telegram. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.